a legacy of speed since 1963.
The process begins with raw aluminum.
Thousands of tons of pressure sculpt the form,
creating the aggressive silhouette.
Signature lines are pressed into the metal.
Surface perfection is mandatory.
A synchronized dance of automation.
Components are sorted and prepared.
Tolerances are measured in microns.
Relentless production drives the timeline. Every panel is digitally verified. Raw parts transformed into recognizable pieces. Next, we enter the body shop. The skeletal structure begins to take shape.
Thousands of welds create a unified cell.
Laser technology ensures seamless joints.
The body in white, the raw soul of the car.
Precision mounting points ensure perfect fitment.
The cockpit is prepared for the driver. Advanced bonding materials add rigidity.
The engine compartment is reinforced. Total access is required for framing.
Suspension points are critical for handling.
Human expertise verifies the robot's work.
Dimensional integrity is checked continuously.
The hexagonal air intakes are integrated.
Structure complete, the body moves to paint.
First, a rigorous chemical bath. Phosphate treatment prepares the metal.
The E-coat provides corrosion protection. High heat cures the protective layer. Seam sealing ensures a quiet cabin. A layer of primer creates the canvas. Automated sanding eliminates imperfection.
Now, the application of Verde Mantis.
Strict visual inspection guarantees perfection. The body moves to the clean room. Here, the car comes to life with components.
The driver-focused cockpit is installed.
The final badge of identity is placed. Advanced LED lighting systems are integrated. Signature lighting creates the nighttime presence. The body is ready to meet its heart. While the body is painted, the heart is built. The twin-turbo V8 takes shape. The hybrid module is mated to the gearbox.
A masterpiece of power and efficiency.
The suspension is set up for track precision.
Carbon ceramic brakes provide stopping power. The exhaust is tuned for a 10,000 RPM symphony.
The rolling chassis awaits the body. The moment of truth, the marriage. Body and chassis become one entity.
High-strength bolts secure the union.
Electrical systems are bridged.
Lifeblood. Premium synthetic oil is added.
Aerodynamic panels are locked down.
The engine cover showcases the hybrid V8. Now, the rigorous validation phase begins.
The dynamometer tests power delivery.
Exhaust emissions are analyzed and tuned.
The monsoon test checks for water tightness. Paint and seals must withstand the elements.
Laser sensors verify panel alignment.
Suspension is tested over irregular surfaces.
Wheel alignment is set to factory specs. Braking performance is validated. Driver assistance systems are calibrated.
The final visual sign-off.
Production complete. The masterpiece is ready.
Leaving the birthplace of the Raging Bull.
It heads out to conquer the world.
Performance meets freedom.
Agility and grip in perfect harmony.
The power of the hybrid V8 is unleashed. Lightning-fast shifts behind the wheel.
Modern design meets classic history.
Signature lighting signals intent. The heart of the hybrid system.
A moment of stillness before the storm.
Track capability proven.
Driver connection is paramount.
Active aerodynamics adjust for downforce.
Testing where the legends are born.
Controlled slides demonstrate balance.
Cooling down after the run.
Let's appreciate the design details.
Sharp eyes define the front fascia. Airflow management is key to cooling. The hexagonal design language.
Air intakes optimized for hybrid cooling.
Minimizing drag at every edge.
Muscular rear stance conveys power. Managing underbody air for stability. The hybrid V8 is a work of art.
A racing steering wheel for the road.
Minimalist design language continues.
The red start button beckons.
A cockpit designed for two.
Performance isn't compromised by weather.
Visibility remains clear in the storm. Engineering resilience in every drop.
At home in the urban jungle.
Agility meets history.
Beauty of everything and reflection.
The key to a unique experience.
Tactile quality you can feel.
Ready for the next journey. Refueling for more excitement.
Or plugging in for electric efficiency.
Embracing the future of mobility. Motion in every wheel. A sculpture of speed. Tires designed for grip.
A final clean before delivery.
Hand-finished care. Protected until it meets its owner. Leaving the factory for the road. The journey has just begun. From Sant'Agata to the world. Symbol of power. Unleashing pure performance.
Pushing towards 10,000 RPM.
Controlled chaos.
Stopping power matches acceleration.
The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario Hybrid.
A new dawn for the V8. The endless road awaits.